So this is a Brother printer. It's an MFC J330DW. And I think I may have stumbled across a new way to clean clogged print heads. I read on the internet and saw YouTube videos whereby what one would do is essentially buy a cleaning kit, which is cleaning liquid. Then you open up this cover, you remove the cartridge, which is for the blocked color, and you connect a tube. Then what you do is you, let me just open this up, where you center the head, and that's done by pressing this cross button. So if I press and hold that, it should center the head. Okay, it's done it now. All right, so it's centered to the head. So then we connect the tube using a syringe, and then using blotting paper underneath the print head, you slowly clear the blockage once, twice, 3 times. All right, so quite a messy, lengthy process. Okay, what I discovered is potentially a bit of a hack, and it's not official, so it may damage the printer, I don't know, but essentially you remove this cover. What I found here is essentially sort of like a rubberized housing area for the print head. So my guess was this must be an area that is used to prevent the print head from drying. What I did is I dumped a bunch of alcohol in there. I'll show you the product I used. Just a moment. So this is it, 96% alcohol. Dumped a bunch here, and what was really interesting when I was watching the cleaning process work without this cover, I saw that there's a little squeegee here that comes up, and the printer uses that squeegee to wipe the print head. So when that was operating, I also cleaned the squeegee when the squeegee popped up. I cleaned the squeegee, I'll show you that in a moment. But essentially, I left that there for about 10-20 minutes. Then I came to the cleaning menu, and you go to print head cleaning, and I clicked the all option and then strongest, and I ran that a couple of times, and my print heads had been completely blocked. I had no lines coming out on the black. The colors, I may have had some lines, but essentially we'd been away for a while on holiday. The whole thing got completely blocked up, completely unusable. So now I'll just show you the result. So the result after this 20-minute process, or half an hour process, I've got one problem on the black. Yellow's perfect, blue's perfect, cyan is perfect, all the colors are perfect. Sorry, that's violet, not cyan. So the cyan is perfect and the purple's perfect. So anyway, there we go. Pretty clear set of results there. So, you know, if I find that this damages my printer, this process, I will let you know and delete the video or something like that. But it seems that this is a much easier way to potentially clear a clog on all colors without you having to mess with tubes and with cleaning fluid and with everything else. So anyway, I'll just, for your amusement, I will show you now the cleaning process. It's quite interesting. So I'm going to go here, back to the color menu, sorry for the quality. So you go to print head cleaning, then I'm going to click black, because actually we had the slight problem there. I'm going to click strongest and start. Wait a sec, printing error. can hear it doing something. Cannot detect. I'll try once more, otherwise I'll just finish this video. Sorry, print head. So, print head cleaning, black, strongest, start. Print head error. Okay, I'm not sure what is up there. I was able to get that working before, but anyway, this seems to have solved my print issues. So can't be bothered to edit this anymore. It's for your own information. Good luck.